Hey folks, Mark Kelly again here with Inbound Revenue. You can see it on the hat, you can see it on the website. Boom. I'm going to talk to you about our bucket of hours. This is one of my favorite services for agencies. A bucket of hours is basically just that. You can buy anywhere from 5 to 30 hours from us. Price drops a little bit as you purchase, as you buy more. And then you can use those hours however you choose to for your campaigns, or for your call tracking, or for your conversion tracking, or for building a campaign, or keyword research, or optimizing campaigns. So oftentimes what someone does is they buy a bucket of hours from us and maybe take a look at 2 or 3 different accounts they have and doing an audit on those accounts, report the audit results, and then they'll say, okay, implement these changes. And then after you implement these changes, do some optimizations on the account. And so you buy these buckets as you need it, when needed, for specific uses. We can do strategy with them. We can help you set up shopping. We can help you set up your Google Merchant account, help you set up YouTube, remarketing. We can help you with your analytics, Google Tag Manager, setting up your conversion tracking. So all those services. Then on this page on our website, you can just go to Google Ads and go to hourly support buckets. You can see we have averages per task. It's going to take us, an hour and a half on average to do an audit. These are estimates. Can't say that if you have a big project, it's going to take an hour. Can't say it won't take less than an hour. We're trying to give you some idea of how much time it will take. Campaign build, a couple hours, a landing page, an hour unbounce account, which you can buy. You can buy annual hosting for $49 from us, and we can host your unbounce account. Optimizations, all these things. A little bit of project management, depending on the task. And basically, all you have to do is go on this page, purchase a bucket. You'll connect on Slack with our project manager, account managers, outline the task. We actually have an intake form you'll fill out. That'll go right into our project management tool. We use that as sort of a way to get started. Then we'll communicate on Slack, preferably, sometimes through email. And then we'll keep you up to date. We'll give you access to a ClickUp form that will show you how many hours you have left, how we've used the hours, how we've allocated the hours. And all you have to do is come in here and place the order, enter a little information here. You can choose from 5, 10, 20, or 30-hour buckets, and boom, that's it. It's an ideal tool for a lot of agencies where they don't fit into our fast launch. They don't want recurring management, but they know they need Google Ads experts. As you know, at Inbound Revenue, Google Ads is all that we do all day, every day. We breathe, eat, think Google Ads. We're not doing Facebook or SEO or anything else. So that's a great service. Again, it's you can find it under Google Ads, hourly support buckets, 5 to 30 hours. Talk to you guys again soon.